Hello everyone. So today's recipe is Sarvapindi in Telangana and Taalipeeth in Maharashtra. It's known as Taalipeeth in Maharashtra. So here we just need moong dal and we need to soak it in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes because we are going to make it instantly. So then we took rice flour and we took spinach. Then we took green chili paste of 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon and salt of half teaspoon and sesame seeds of 3 to 4 teaspoons. I've taken just 3, but yes. Now I think the moong dal has become little soft. Now strain the water. Take the moong dal, add it into the rice flour, then make it into a dough properly by just adding little by little water so that it becomes like a normal chapati dough, but try to make it little tight and not loose. If it is loose, then your talipeet or sarvapindi doesn't come properly. So you just need to know the thickness and the texture of how the dough should be. So just I hope that you understand that you don't do it too loose so that it comes good. And here we have added a little less salt as well because spinach contains salt. So if I add more salt, it becomes salty. And also here in the green chili paste there is salt included. That's why I just added half teaspoon of salt. I understand, you get it. So now just take a frying pan, then pour oil in it. Just rub the oil all over, and after that, once it is spread all over, you just need to take the dough, make it into a ball size shape, and then spread it all over in the pan. Just spread it as nicely as possible so that it's spread equally and not thick at one place and thin at one place. Just make a few holes in between so that moisture goes and it gets cooked well. Put the lid on top of it for some time and do it on low flame. Medium flame is also fine. So it gets cooked. I think you can see the roasted talipeet or sarvapindi. It's very crispy. You will love it. Honestly, you will love it. Many of them might not be knowing the recipe, but just do try it. It's lovely and tasty and crispy. Just try it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.